If scalable, this self-powered technology has the potential to disrupt industries reliant on fossil fuels and electricity, potentially rendering gas stations and traditional power grids obsolete. Chikumbutso's innovative technology converts radio waves into usable energy for vehicles, effectively removing the need for conventional fuel or battery systems, marking a significant departure from current technological norms. This potential for decentralized energy sources could empower off-grid communities, decreasing reliance on expensive infrastructure and delivering reliable electricity to underserved populations. Countries dependent on costly fuel imports could achieve greater independence through self-powered technology, significantly lowering their monthly energy expenses. Such a shift has the potential to reshape the global energy landscape. Should self-powered vehicles eliminate the need for traditional fuels, major industries like oil and electric vehicles might face financial crises, presenting a significant threat to established corporate giants. Utility companies could see a decline in customers if individuals generate their own power indefinitely, impacting government revenues from energy taxes and compelling governments to reevaluate their economic strategies. Chikumbutso began his journey by dismantling radios and devices in his youth, employing trial and error to grasp mechanics, while many of his peers adhered to traditional educational paths. Before introducing his self-powered car, Chikumbutso developed a self-powered television and a fuel-free generator, demonstrating his commitment to energy independence and innovative thought. The public demonstration of his self-powered car overcame skepticism, validating its functionality without traditional energy sources and prompting experts to reevaluate established transportation technologies. The emergence of self-powered vehicles directly challenges the dominance of existing energy markets, posing a potential threat to multi-trillion-dollar industries reliant on traditional fuel sources and redefining transportation infrastructure. Chikumbutso's invention has encountered intense scrutiny and resistance, including intimidation and threats, underscoring the obstacles innovators face when attempting to disrupt established industries, reactions historically typical for groundbreaking technologies. If self-powered cars achieve mainstream acceptance, we could witness the decline of gas stations and charging networks, significantly altering the global transportation landscape and economic stability in oil-dependent nations. Countries such as the United States and Canada may experience substantial financial losses as fuel distribution networks decline, meaning the implications of this shift extend far beyond just gas stations. Should self-powered vehicles eliminate the need for lithium batteries, the entire battery manufacturing industry could face collapse, severely impacting companies like Panasonic and LG. The transition to decentralized energy could empower rural communities currently lacking reliable electricity, potentially leading to self-sufficient regions that are no longer dependent on centralized energy sources. Governments might respond by imposing regulations or taxes to slow the adoption of self-powered vehicles, apprehensive about losing control over energy resources and the accompanying tax revenue. China is making significant investments in alternative energy technologies, including wireless power transmission and nuclear fusion, positioning itself as a leader in the future of energy and transportation. European nations are advancing hydrogen-powered vehicles and renewable energy technologies, aiming to reduce their dependency on fossil fuels while establishing leadership in clean energy innovation. Emerging markets are becoming crucial partners in renewable energy as Europe seeks to lessen its dependence on the United States, a shift that could significantly alter global trade alliances. Africa possesses the potential to leapfrog fossil fuel dependency by embracing self-sustaining technologies, enabling the continent to develop a new energy infrastructure focused on sustainability. The rise of self-powered generators could enhance economic independence in rural Africa, where millions currently lack reliable electricity, paving the way for significant technological advancements.